Jah know. Only Jah know. Exhibit Master Dan. Only Jah know. Only Jah know. Living this life and I hope I change. Tryna make a way about this crazy game. Hard times, they got me going through hard times. Living this life and I hope I change. Tryna make a way about this crazy game. Hard times, they got me going through hard times.
Look, somebody feel me, try to understand my pain and pressure. Please take heed to this ghetto love letter. I struggled and hustled, bubbled through hard times. Late night, teardrops thundered out my eyes. My God, help me, I'm trying to focus on the good. Tough luck, stuck back, posted up in the hood. Even though I should hope for the best, I'm still stressed. Late night, me and demons fighting, I can't rest. Bad dreams and sad things happen to your child. When will I receive eternal happiness with a smile? It's been a while since I've been living with my kids. It's something I'm doing, or maybe something I never did. Always repent every time that I'm doing wrong. Ain't nobody perfect, Lord Norman trying to be strong. Miracle gone, took my daughter right out my hands. Said I've been confused, Jesus help me to understand.
I'm living this life and I hope I change. Trying to make a way about this crazy game. Hard times, they got me going through hard times. Living this life and I hope I change. Trying to make a way about this crazy game.
Y'all gotta feel me.
Going through hard times.
Look, God, I'm hurting, Lord, I'm feeling worthless. Show your child a sign, cause I'm blind, what is my purpose? Try to stay focused, confusion got me feeling hopeless. Walk around moping, calling the devil's hocus pocus. Don't lift me up, I'm giving up, take my soul. Make me a new breed, shape me holy and break the mold. Please take control, feel like I'm sliding down this icy road. Starting to lose my grip on life, no longer can I hold. But I can't fold, cause my faith too strong. Jesus Christ is my life, been that way too long. And I surrender my heart and soul to bless my tongue. Teach me to walk in your light on the streets, the rest I done. A vesting gun I don't need, cause you bleed your blood over me. To live pure, straight, and soberly. I'm hoping we can all change, but until then, this is my life. Working hard as I maintain.
Living this life and I hope I change. Trying to make a way about this crazy game. Hard times, they got me going through hard times. Living this life and I hope I change. Trying to make a way about this crazy game. Hard times, got me going through hard times.
Hey, at times I feel like dying, but I ain't tired of living. Too many things in life I owe my kids, I gotta give them. Gotta get off my ass, can't be a deadbeat dad.